Mechanical keyboards have become increasingly popular among typists and gamers for their precision, comfort, and customizable features, qualities that golfers also look for in their gear. Just as a great keyboard enhances productivity, a reliable golf pushcart enhances performance and comfort on the course. List number 1. KVV 3-Wheel Golf Pushcart Ultra Lightweight. The KVV 3-Wheel Golf Pushcart is a top pick for golfers seeking a perfect mix of lightweight design, smooth mobility, and practical convenience. Built from a high-strength aluminum frame, this cart is impressively durable, yet weighs only around 13 pounds, making it easy to push or carry across all terrains. Its quick one-step folding system lets you set it up or pack it away in seconds, ideal for golfers who prioritize portability. The 3-wheel construction provides excellent stability, while the ball-bearing wheels glide smoothly on grass, gravel, or slopes. The adjustable handle height ensures comfortable use for golfers of all sizes. Added features include a scorecard holder, umbrella mount, drink holder, and foot brake for steady parking. The storage net and console keep essentials within reach, while the compact fold fits easily in most car trunks.
Number 2. CaddyTech CaddyLite 11.5 V3 Golf Pushcart. The CaddyTech CaddyLite 11.5 V3 remains one of the most popular pushcarts for its blend of stability, ease of use, and rugged build quality. Crafted from lightweight aluminum, it weighs under 13 pounds, yet its frame feels solid and built to last. Its simple two-step folding mechanism makes storage fast and hassle-free, and maintenance-free tires ensure a smooth ride on all terrains, wet, dry, or uneven. The front-wheel alignment system adds precision handling, while the foot brake ensures safety on slopes. Comfort and convenience are front and center here. A mesh net, storage compartment, and drink and umbrella holders keep your essentials organized. The wide base provides better balance, even when carrying heavier bags. Golfers appreciate that the CaddyLite 11.5 V3 performs well in both functionality and durability, offering consistent control even on long courses.
List number 3. EasyGo Golf Pushcart 3-Wheel. The EasyGo Golf Pushcart 3-Wheel stands out for its sturdy build, smooth maneuverability, and effortless folding design. Made with a durable aluminum frame, it supports all standard golf backs and folds down in seconds for easy storage. The 3-wheel configuration with large rear wheels provides optimal balance and control. The 360-degree swivel front wheel adds unmatched maneuverability, allowing the cart to turn smoothly even in tight spaces. Its adjustable height handle and ergonomic grip ensure comfort across long rounds. In terms of convenience, EasyGo includes a storage console, cup holder, umbrella stand, and scorecard holder, letting golfers stay organized and focused on their game. The foot brake system locks the cart firmly when parked on slopes. At around 14 pounds, it's light enough for easy transport, yet strong enough to handle full-sized golf bags without wobbling. The wheels are maintenance-free EVA tires, offering a stable roll on grass or sand.
List number 4. Bagboy Nitron Golf Pushcart. The Bagboy Nitron Golf Pushcart is one of the most advanced models on the market, known for its patented nitro piston technology, which allows instant one-step unfolding, a major time saver on the course. Built with high-grade aluminum and reinforced joints, this cart delivers durability and stability while maintaining a lightweight profile. Its airless polymer tires ensure a smooth, maintenance-free ride on all terrains, and the handle-mounted parking brake adds safety and convenience. The ergonomic handle adjusts easily, while the storage console includes compartments for tees, balls, scorecards, and even a smartphone mount. Golfers love the compact folded size, which fits neatly into small car trunks. Another notable advantage is its sleek design and color options, making it as stylish as it is functional. Whether you're pushing up hills or cruising fairways, the Nitron's balance and control are exceptional.
List number 5. Janus Golf Pushcart 3-Wheel. The Janus 3-Wheel Golf Pushcart combines modern design, functionality, and comfort in a lightweight package perfect for everyday golfers. Its sturdy steel and aluminum frame ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable at around 13 pounds. The quick folding mechanism allows it to collapse in seconds for easy transportation and storage. The three-wheel setup delivers excellent stability, and the ball-bearing tires ensure smooth movement on various terrains. Janus adds several premium touches, including an adjustable ergonomic handle, scorecard holder, umbrella stand, and drink holder, all designed for convenience. The rear foot brake system provides secure stopping power even on steep slopes. Users praise its stability and value, noting that it performs comparably to more expensive carts. The cart's solid frame and even weight distribution make it comfortable to push even with a full golf bag.